So first of all, here we are going to see about the Blink application, and here we are going to install a certain library which is required to work on a Blink application. And third thing, we are going to work on a practical session to control a certain appliances with the help of the Blink application we have from the mobile phone. And finally, of course, we are going to have the discussion and then tech news. So first of all, here prerequisite for this session. So only same as like the previous session, we need additional LED and then 330 ohm resistor. So while talking about the Blink application, Blink is a hardware agnostic. So Blink is a hardware agnostic IoT platform. With the help of this Blink application, you can also develop or you can also deploy a lot of applications like monitoring system or data analytics or machine learning or device management or lot of etc. As well as also you can also access the GPIO pins of the Raspberry Pi to the help of the Blink application. So that you need to install a Blink application in your mobile phone, either Android or iOS. So you just install that application. From that application, you can able to control the certain appliances which is connected with the Raspberry Pi via the internet. Okay. So while talking about the library, so first of all, if you are using an old version of operating system, if you want to upgrade, you can use the sudo apt-get update amazon sudo apt-get upgrade. So you just upgrade it, and I hope you know how to install a library one by one. So you just copy paste like a line by line, like you just want to paste it. I'll show you for an example short one. So here, so in here, and you just want to copy line by line, and you just want to go into the terminal, and you just want to paste it. Okay, so I hope you know about like how to install basic libraries. Okay, so okay, so those things I have already installed it, so that's why it's showing some kind of warning like fatal destination path Blink library already exists. Okay, you just copy each and everything like CD up to this line. Okay, so up to this line you just copy paste, and you just complete your like configuration and all, and after that you may require your token from your mail ID, because you need a certain token to work on a project or to work on a certain kind of application. Okay, so for that what you need to do, you just install a Blink application. Okay, so Blink application is available in your mobile phone. Okay, so I'm expanding the hardware screen. So here, if you are seeing here, so that is the Blink application which is present here. So here I'm using iOS. Okay, so this Blink application is also available for Android. You can use it for. So you just open this Blink application. So while opening the Blink application, first of all, it will ask for whether it is a new project or not. Okay, so I hope you all seeing the hardware screen, right? So for you guys, I'm expanding the hardware screen. So here it's better. So here it's asking for new project or my app. So first of all, you just click new project. So here it's asking for project name. I'm naming as RPI master. Okay, so that's it. And after naming it, it's asking for choose device. So this is the second option. So on that second option, you just want to choose the Raspberry Pi board. So you just look for R. So here Raspberry Pi 3B. Okay, so that's it. So Raspberry Pi, first of all, we need to name for our project, and second option we are chosen what board we are using, Raspberry Pi 3B, and third option is it asking for Wi-Fi or not. So yes, of course, so we are going to use the Wi-Fi, and dark mode or light mode. So you can switch to dark or light mode. Okay, so and then create a project. So once the project is created, before logging into this Blink application, it will ask for to give the login. So you just create an account with your mail ID, so that it will ask shown like here. So whenever we are creating the project, it will send in mail with the token ID. Okay, so now it's okay. So just click OK. So that's it. RPI master is ready, and on the bottom option there is a kind of setting symbol will be there in the top side. So you can click and you can change the settings here. Okay, so or else so you just click the empty space which is present here. Okay, after clicking that, there are a lot of options which is like voltmeter, LED, and lot of things are there, into displaying the gauge and everything. So here I'm going to use a button because I'm going to control this LED which is connected with the Raspberry Pi from my mobile phone. So that's why I'm just clicking this button. Okay, now it is turning into like on or off. Okay, so after that, so that's it. Okay, so button is ready. Now click the button to change the setting. So here in the GPIO, so here there is a digital option here. Okay, so I hope you can able to see this. So there is a digital option. On the digital option, what is the GPIO which I am going to use? I am going to use the GPIO 21. Okay, so that's it, and click OK. So now we have clicked the GP21. This is the option, and you can choose option called push or switch option. Okay, and then click OK. So now it is ready. So as it is already told that it has sent an mail with the token ID. Okay, so before that we need that token ID. So we'll check the mail whether we got that token or not. So this is the token ID which I got before. So now I will check a new ID which is arrived or not. Okay, so yes, we have arrived the token for RPI master. Okay, so this is the token ID which we got. So before that we need to copy the certain part of the code. Okay, so we need to copy certain things. So sudo space dot blink hyphen hyphen token equal to. Okay, so you just copy this command and you just paste it in the terminal. Okay, so remaining we need the keyword or token word. So for that you just copy this token. Okay, so please guys, so while copying this token don't include the spaces and all. Okay, so that is main thing. Okay, we just copied and we just pasted it. Okay, so and then press enter. Okay, so sudo command not found. So we need to go into the directory, right? So same as given in the description. Link library Linux. Okay, so in make clean target. Okay, it's making the file, and then you just want to put the token. Okay, so after clicking this it will ask for, okay, so it is now ready, it will be ready now. So now you just opening the link. Okay, so it will show the message called ready. Okay, so in this link it's showing ready now, so which means now it is ready to receive the command. Okay, so here also you can able to see the ready option which is available here, and on the top right corner there will be a play symbol. You just click the play symbol so that it will be connected. Okay, so now it is ready. So now you can click on off button. Okay, so now if you are seeing here, LED start glowing when I am pressing the on button and off. Okay, on and off. And again, if you want to change the setting, you just press the stop button and go to the edit option and switch. I'm just changing the switch mode to switch, and then click OK. Again, I'm just running it. Now it is will be on. Even I'm just not holding that. It is on, and then one press for off. Press for on, off. So now you are seeing this LED is glowing here, so it is present here. Okay, so I hope you got this. Very simple to work on IoT based application with the help of the Raspberry Pi. So that's why this Raspberry Pi is more advanced than Arduino and other boards. Okay, so that's all about here guys. So I hope you understand.